you cruise around the park today, you may have already seen them. You will notice that our facility is divided into habitat types. Now, that's really important message to get across, because the soil will dictate the vegetation type, and the vegetation type will then dictate the animal species in that particular habitat. So we try to give that holistic impression. As you cruise through these habitats, you're going to notice different plant and vegetation types and also different species. Now, the first animal we're going to help introduce your show with is this chap here. Anybody know what it is? Kite. It is a kite. It's a Brahminy kite, to be specific. Now, the Brahminy kite is a common bird. In fact, the kite family in general is probably the most common group of animals you're likely to see as you're travelling around. Has anyone seen black kites or whistling kites on the roadside as you're flying? Yeah, they're everywhere, aren't they? The black kites have got that long fork-shaped tail, and the whistling kites are kind of cream in coloration. But nonetheless, kites in general are very, very successful raptors up here in the top end. And they can be found across a range of different habitat types. They're not a specialist predator as such. Having said that, the Brahminy kite, out of all the kite species up here, is the most specialised, although still a bit of a generalist as well. Now, how a Brahminy kite's feeding this morning is quite typical of how you'll see them hunting in the wild. You'll see the kites on the wing, all circling around, sharing the same airspace. Usually it's in a thermal column. You'll see them kind of in a column.